In life's fiercest storms, whether they're raging outside or swirling inside my heart, I can feel overwhelmed. But here's what I've learned. Even in the most violent whirlwinds, there is hope. Throughout Scripture, whirlwinds are more than just weather, they're signs of God's presence and power. In 2 Kings 2:11, Elijah is lifted up into heaven by a whirlwind, a moment of divine transition that reminds me God's power can show up when I least expect it. Then there's Job 38:1, where God answers Job from inside the whirlwind, showing that even in our confusion or pain, God is right there, speaking to us. Jeremiah 23:19 talks about a whirlwind of the Lord falling violently upon the wicked, God's justice in action. And Hosea 8:7 warns, "Sow the wind and reap the whirlwind," a vivid reminder that our actions have consequences. But miracles happen even in the heart of devastation. In 2023, a Kentucky woman lost her home to a tornado, but her wedding dress, full of memories, was found miles away by a stranger who returned it to her. In 2024, a 9-year-old boy in Oklahoma ran over a mile through dangerous debris to get help for his injured parents after a tornado struck their car. And in Mississippi, a storm chaser didn't just save a family from an EF4 tornado, he promised to rebuild their home for free. These stories show me that hope can always break through, even in the darkest moments. So what does this mean for me, and for you? It means that Jesus is with us, guiding us through every whirlwind, literal or spiritual. When things are falling apart, when I feel lost or afraid, He offers strength, guidance, and restoration. Whatever storm you're facing right now, don't lose hope. Jesus is in your corner, ready to help you rebuild and start again. Trust in Him. He truly is your refuge and strength. If you need prayer or support, reach out today. You're not alone.